For decades, astronomers believed our Milky Way was on an unstoppable crash course with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy. The origins of this prophecy go back to 1912, when Andromeda was first recognized as a distant galaxy headed toward us. By 2012, scientists even proclaimed they could predict with certainty this titanic crash 4 billion years in the future. But recent observations have thrown that cosmic prophecy into doubt. Only about a 50-50 chance of a Milky Way Andromeda merger within the next 10 billion years. Instead of a single destiny, we now see a spectrum of possible outcomes. The Large Magellanic Cloud's gravity pulls the Milky Way away from Andromeda's path. By contrast, the Triangulum Galaxy acts like a cosmic helper, drawing Andromeda toward us. The fate of our galactic neighborhood remains completely open. Once, we believed the fate of our galaxy was written in the stars. Two spiral titans, the Milky Way and Andromeda, loom large in our cosmic neighborhood. All signs pointed to an unstoppable race toward collision. Hubble's piercing gaze measured Andromeda's almost imperceptible sideways drift. The data implied a near-perfect bullseye on a collision course. Simulations showed a cataclysmic merger forming one colossal Milkdromeda. Yet questions lingered. Could our cosmic predictions be wrong? Our galaxy's destiny hung in the balance. Collision or cosmic reprieve. By precisely tracking the motion of stars within the Milky Way, Gaia also helps us deduce our galaxy's own motion through space. Preliminary data from Gaia hinted that Andromeda's sideways motion might be slightly larger than Hubble's initial measurements suggested. Then, astronomers realized they had missed two key players in this cosmic drama. Suspect number 1, the Large Magellanic Cloud, a dwarf satellite galaxy orbiting the Milky Way. It's giving the Milky Way a slight sideways nudge, like a gentle tap on a moving billiard ball. Suspect number 2, the Triangulum Galaxy, already bound to Andromeda, pulling them both toward the Milky Way. We have two competing forces, M33 trying to pull the galaxies together, and the LMC trying to deflect the Milky Way off course. To solve this, an international team ran 100,000 different futures for our local group. This approach didn't seek one answer. It mapped a vast landscape of possible futures. When the simulations were complete, a new, probabilistic picture of our future emerged. In a very small number of cases, only about 2% of the simulations, the old model holds true. In nearly half of the simulations, the galaxies have a close encounter, passing within a few 100,000 light-years of each other. By this time, our sun would have long since died, leaving a cold white dwarf. Perhaps most astonishingly, in half of all simulated futures, the Milky Way and Andromeda do not merge within the next 10 billion years at all. The deciding factor? The gravitational tug-of-war between M33 and the LMC. Our solar system would likely be unharmed. The real drama would be in the gravitational chaos reshaping the galaxies. Astronomers continue to collect data, especially from Gaia, to further refine Andromeda's trajectory. So, is the Milky Way doomed? The answer is no longer a simple yes.